Today we're going to be looking at a 5-bedroom house located in the community of Sterling Castle in the Kingston 19 area. The size of this house is approximately 4,700 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 65 million Jamaican dollars. This house consists of 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a living area, dining area, kitchen, a laundry area, a 2-car garage and a balcony. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this house. Here we are at the front of the property. We then move on to the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. And from here we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 5 were shown. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. Lastly, we have the balcony. And from here we're going to head to the back of the property. That will then bring us to the end of this tour. So guys, if you are interested in this stunning property, it is for sale at a cost of 65 million Jamaican dollars. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for the house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.